think you can sleep.
You got it?
Trying to avoid. I got shitloads of screws.
Seriously?
Oh. The other's got, I think.
One, possibly.
Right out. Got it. Enough? Yep. Okay. Excellent. Yeah, so this is something I've been wanting to do for like a year and a half.
Okay.
And the first week of the boat being in, it's done in 5 minutes. You know how frustrating my life's been.
Okay. Okay, today we've got to do repair and fix the swim out deck that we took off the boat a few weeks ago. As you can see, there's quite a bit of work to do. Anyway, let's get started. Drill that out. I'm not sure how to do it. I might have to get a smaller drill and then punch that out and then a screw extractor. I'll have to look at that a little bit later. Next is to look at the bits of split timber and the bit of broken timber inside the rails of the actual platform. So it looks like I need to drill that out and re-glue these broken bits. And some of these battens are actually loose as well, so they'll need to be glued. There's probably some at the other end. Okay, look at that. So just progressively work through, but first things first, drill out that bit of timber and get that clean. tap out a little bit with chisel, just trying to clean the. Keep these guys. Okay, now that we've got that drilled out, and I can actually make another little mortise and tenon piece, get some more teak and fill it in. I've got to put a mortise tenon block, fix it back into there. Then got to replace, glue in some of these bits are broken away. I've got to cut another little batten in, and obviously fix the physical battens themselves. But before I do that, I've got to get it cleaned up. What I'll do, I'll sand off all the varnish on both sides, and then that'll give me a clean bit of timber to work to. Once I've got that out of the way, what I intend to do is actually then put on either end a bit of stainless steel, a bit of stainless steel plate, and that'll sit over the joint to actually give some strength to the joint. And when we put the ring bolts through, which are then fixed to the chain, which is fixed to the transom, the back of the boat, then that just gives us a bit more support across for both the rails and also for the swim out. First things first, let's get on to the sanding. Okay. Next things, start the sanding. That's fine. I won't do it on the horse because I'm just worried that there's a bit too much load on the old battens to do that. So what I'm going to do, just got a piece of metal on board. So I'm just going to lay it on the ground, put the swing on top of that. So it's got pretty well that will support across there. We're not going to any rails to hold those in. And then I'll do the sanding on the ground so I can get a decent bit of purchase on the sanding. Okay, so looking not too bad. Wipe it down with some though, just clean some of the dust off, but generally it's coming up pretty well. Okay, next stage is refixing the battens.